Hello guys. Welcome back to my channel, Writing Practices. Today, we are going to learn how to write an admission letter. What is an admission letter? An admission letter, often referred to as an acceptance letter, is an official written communication sent by an educational institution, such as a school, college, or university, to a prospective student. Its primary purpose is to inform the applicant that they have been offered a place or admission into the academic program or institution to which they applied. This letter typically includes essential details such as the student's name, the specific program or course they have been accepted into, the starting date of the academic term, any specific conditions or requirements that need to be met prior to enrollment, and other relevant information. The admission letter serves as formal confirmation of the student's acceptance and outlines the next steps they need to take to enroll and become a part of the educational institution. In essence, an admission letter is a crucial document that marks the beginning of a student's academic journey and formalizes their enrollment into the chosen educational program or institution. Here, Writing Practices will show you how to write an admission letter step by step. Check this out. First of all, you can write your information. Here, you can put it as the letterhead or on the left side. So, write your full name. And write also your home address, phone number, and email address. After that, write the date of the letter. You may use the format of month, date, and year. For the next, write the information about the recipient. Here, you need to write their full name. If you have no idea, you can just write the office or department name. Under it, write the university or school or institution name. Here, the letter is addressed to the admissions committee in fictional university. And now, you need to write the address of the office or institution. Don't forget to mention the number, street name, city, state, and zip code. Once you completed these information, write a salutation. Simply write Dear Mr. or Ms. or Mrs., followed by the last name of the recipient. Or simply write Dear Sir or Madam, or to whom it may concern. In the first paragraph, after opening the letter with a polite salutation, you can now express your gratitude for the offer of admission. And here, you should mention the university name. Mention also the specific program or course you have been accepted into. For example as, I am delighted to accept your offer of admission to fictional university for the Bachelor of Arts in History program. And then, you can continue by talking something good about the university or institution. You can mention specifically the good thing about the department or program you are enrolled. For example, the writer here wrote, "Your esteemed institution's reputation for academic excellence and historical research opportunities aligns perfectly with my passion for history." Sure, you can modify and add more based on your preference. And in the second paragraph, this is where you show enthusiasm for joining the institution. It is highly recommended to mention why it aligns with your goals and aspirations. State that you are accepting the offer. Here is the example. I am deeply grateful for the opportunity and look forward to joining the vibrant campus community. And in case the admission required you to submit some documents, you need to mention them here that you attached them along with this letter. If you don't know what to write, you may copy this. Enclosed are my enrollment forms and required documents, ready to meet all admission requirements. Mentioning any required documents or forms that you are enclosing or submitting as part of the admission process is a must here. In the third paragraph, thank the admissions committee for the opportunity and express your commitment to making the most of your time. And mention the university name. You can write something like, "Thank you for believing in my potential." You can also add, "I am committed to making the most of this privilege, and contributing to fictional university's legacy of excellence." Showing your excitement will bring positive vibes and good impression. In the fourth paragraph, you can continue to express your readiness to meet any additional admission requirements if applicable. For example as, "If there are additional steps or formalities to complete, please inform me." Don't forget, you need to also welcome the recipient to contact you for that. Therefore, you should offer your contact information for further communication. The writer here wrote, "I am available via email at jessica@email.com or by phone at 555-789-1234. In the fifth paragraph, it is where you can conclude the letter by expressing your eagerness to start the academic year and immerse yourself in the institution's academic and cultural environment. You can see how excited the writer here. I eagerly await the beginning of the academic year and the chance to immerse myself in fictional university's rich academic and cultural environment." And finally, this is the closing part. Use a polite closing such as, "Sincerely," or, "Yours faithfully," followed by your signature and typed name. So, that's how you write an admission letter step by step. I hope you find this video helpful. And I wish you love the journey of pursuing your study and dreams. Thank you for watching, and see you soon.